During the first trimester, you're more likely to have potentially some nausea during pregnancy. So again, that's really important for both couples to be eating well. And if a couple asks us, well, what can we do? We decided that IVF is right for us. What can we do to optimize our chances of a successful IVF attempt? And I love when couples come to us for that because it's so important to optimize the male's health and the female's health prior to IVF, because the healthier the male gets, the healthier her sperm are, and the more likely we are to find good DNA in those sperm. And good DNA, strong, healthy sperm translates to a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. We definitely want to optimize the male's health before IVF, and then the female's health, of course, as well. And we want to, by optimizing her health, we're optimizing her egg quality, and we're also optimizing her immune system to accept that once the embryo is created, they will transfer the embryo into the woman, and for that transfer to take, so to speak, or the baby to stick, some people like to say, and to go on for a healthy pregnancy throughout the 10 months and then a healthy delivery. We really want to optimize the woman's health as well. So we love when couples come to us before IVF to optimize all that. Let's combine the functional medicine holistic approach to health and fertility with IVF, because that will just optimize increased chances of a successful outcome to the IVF procedures. So how we do that is we would encourage the couples to continue to eat healthy, eat organic as much as possible, and look at the clean 15 and dirty dozen if you're not able to buy all organic. It's a little impossible to buy completely organic everything. For the produce, checking to see if it's on the clean 15, and if it's on the dirty dozen, then definitely buy organic. So eating healthy, avoiding processed foods, avoiding inflammatory foods, those are all going to help a couple have a healthy pregnancy. And I say the man as well, even once the woman is pregnant, because that support is really important. Once the woman is pregnant, she's going to want and need all the support she can get by the man being there and encouraging her, or just showing up and eating healthy as well, because he's preparing any of the meals and choosing the places to eat. That's just going to really help her to continue eating healthy. And sometimes during the first trimester, you're more likely to have potentially some nausea during pregnancy. So again, that's really important for both couples to be eating well, because if we do eat those foods that sometimes we crave, the sweet things that give us that instant energy, that can also lead to more nausea, because where our blood sugar levels are rising and falling, and it's important to try to keep those blood sugar levels as normal as possible. When we're pregnant, we really suggest eating good healthy fats, and that'll help maintain a nice level blood sugar level, so that we don't get on this roller coaster ride, which really seems to make nausea worse for women when their blood sugar levels fluctuate quite a bit. As well as eating healthy during the IVF process. During the IVF process, there's a lot going on. First, the man needs to give his semen sample. 3 months prior to that, we like to see, well, actually even more than 3 months. So it's important to make changes in diet and lifestyle months ahead of time. So we want to wait 3 months for sperm turnover, egg health as well. We want to look at optimizing the woman's health months before, and then we can wait 3 months for the eggs, because the eggs go from the little oocyte to a mature egg, and within that 3-month process, we can make sure that those eggs that weren't in the optimal environment have matured, and now we're looking at oocytes that have been in a more healthy environment prior to maturing, so a better egg quality once the eggs are retrieved. Also during IVF, from a holistic approach, love for the couples to get optimal sleep. It's so important. So important for our bodies to be more stress resilient, to rejuvenate at night, for our immune systems to work and balance out. All of this is so important for IVF and natural fertility as well. If you'd like to learn more, please like and subscribe to my channel.